Hi, That Clean Life community. In today's quick tip, we'll show you how to add attachments to your shared recipes, plans, or collections. Attachments are a great way to provide additional information with your clients. First, find the recipe plan or collection, and then click the Share button. Turn on sharing, and then select your share settings. Next, click the Attachments tab, and then click the Add Attachment button. There are two types of attachments you can add. The first type of attachment is a link. You can attach a link to any website, file, video, etc. For example, let's say you want to attach a link to your recommended protein powder. Choose link, add a name to the link, and then paste the link and then click create attachment. The second type of attachment is a rich text, which is a formatted text of any length. So let's say you want to provide your client with a welcome message when they access their plan. Choose rich text, give it a name, and then enter content in the text box. You can also apply text from your snippets or from our snippet template. You can organize your attachments in the order you want them displayed. And you can also choose to pin any one of your rich text attachments by clicking Pin Attachment. When you pin a rich text attachment, it will appear as a pop-up when your client visits their plan. Once you are done adding your attachments, go back to the Details tab, copy the link, and share it with your client. When your client visits the link, they will first see your pinned attachment, and all other attachments will be under Home in the Attachments column. Remember, you can always edit, add, or delete attachments from your profile under the Shared tab. Simply click Edit Share and then click on the Attachments tab to make any changes. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tip. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out by sending us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com.